Hey everybody, and welcome back to another video on using grains and legumes as nutrient sources for all your plants and why you should do it. But before we get started, if you like this video, please give us a like, let us know. And don't forget to hit that notification bell and subscribe to our channel, will you please? Thank you. In the last video, I explained to you the benefits of using soybean as a natural nutrient source and how to extract these nutrients and growth hormones from these beans. In this video, I will introduce to you the grains that we use to make our fertilizers with. Grains such as alfalfa, buckwheat, Dinkel, Quinoa, oats, and millets, for instance, contain the highest amounts of growth hormones available in plants. Legumes like soybean, kidney beans, white beans, black beans, for instance, all have high amounts of amino acids, auxins, gibberellins, cytokinin, and protein. And the best way to extract these hormones is to sprout them. When growing vegan and using plants as nutrient sources, it is important to choose the right ones, meaning the ones with the highest amounts of available plant growth hormones and plant growth regulators. Grains contain many different growth hormones such as tryptophan, tryptophan, silica, sulfur, and growth hormones and regulators like amino acids, auxins, cytokinin, gibberellins, and protein. And we always pay close attention to grains and other nutrients that are high in protein because protein helps plants grow bigger, and approximately 16% of all protein is nitrogen. Overall, oats, quinoa, and spelt are the best grain sources for amino acids and growth hormones, but all grains are rich in nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and proteins. Oats are high in nitrates and protein, and one of the grains that we always use in our fertilizers and grow regimen. It also contains all 9 essential amino acids and growth hormones. Quinoa is one of the most nutritious grains available today. In addition to being a good food source, right, for fiber, it also contains all 9 essential amino acids that plants need to survive. Which brings us to spelt. Spelt contains 18 essential amino acids that cannot be obtained through animal foods. For its qualities and nutrients, it is also called the black caviar among cereals and grains. Spelt, also known as green grain and Dinkel, is the absolute leader when it comes to protein, amino acids, fiber, and vitamins among all grain types. Spelt contains as much protein as meat does. And as I said before, the best way to extract these nutrients is to sprout them. When you sprout your grain, you get all the nutrients that I have been referring to all along. You get the amino acids, you get the auxins, cytokinin, gibberellins, and proteins, which are the most important nutrients that you need for your plants. So I'm going to run this down to you one more time that you fully understand. Amino acids are the building blocks for proteins in plants and is required for plant growth, development, and for higher yields. Chemicals known as auxins inform plants when to form roots. Auxins promote cell growth and elongation, and they also help in the initiation of root settings and stem cuttings. Cytokinin, on the other hand, are plant-specific chemical messenger hormones that play a central role in the regulation of the plant development process. Gibberellins regulate various developmental processes, including stem elongation, germination, dormancy, flowering, flower development, leaf and fruit sequences. And make sure that your grow regimen contains high amounts of amino acids, which in turn will give more protein. protein helps plants to grow because 16% of all protein is nitrogen. And as I said, the nutrients that you need are in the seeds and young sprouts of plants. Now that you know where these nutrients are located, you have to concentrate on your soil microbes because you have to feed your soil just as well as you have to feed your plants. And as you can see from the images, Shiva's soil saver consists of all the fruits, vegetables, grains, legumes, and herbs that we use in all our products. And you can also make a similar soil saver yourself just by drying the nutrient sources, mixing them together, and adding them to the top and lower part of your soil container, just like in the image. And when you do it this way, you will get plants, fruits, and vegetables like the ones you see in the video. So that's going to wrap things up for now. Just remember that grain is a very good food source, not only for humans but for plants as well. And with the abundance of fruits, grains, and vegetables that are available to us, there's absolutely no reason to buy chemicals to grow your plants with. Just provide them with the proper environment and stop spending your money needlessly. So if you like this video, let us know. Give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell if you will, please. Thank you.